Hello, my name's Martin. I'm a tour guide at the Rhondda Heritage Park. Can you guess what my job was? Yeah, that's right, I was a coal miner. And I worked at this colliery when it was the Lewis Merthyr Colliery. It was open for over 100 years. Now, coal mines produced coal. Coal was very important in the old days, produced electricity and heated the homes of the miners and their families. When the coal mines were working, the Rhondda wasn't as beautiful as it is today. There weren't any trees, the rivers ran black, the water in the rivers was black with coal dust. But now, as you can see when you're walking about, the rivers are running clear and there's loads and loads of trees and green areas. So years ago, before electricity, the miners working underground would work 10 to 12-hour shifts with just the flame of a safety lamp. I've got some items to show you now. Everyday use with the miners. We've gone through the lamp, and that then, with the invention of electricity, came to use battery-powered cap lamps. And they would illuminate your workplace, and wherever you turned your head would light up the area. You'd also carry a full jack of water. You'd need your water because it was very dusty and thirsty work. As well as your water, you'd carry your sandwiches. Again in a tin box, and that was to prevent the mice eating your sandwiches. Loads and loads of mice underground, but I'm sure you'll get to hear them when you come to the mine. Now, the coal was mined by hacking it off the coal face with a mandrel, a pick. And after the coal was hacked off, it would be filled out in shovels into curling boxes. And children would carry these curling boxes out of the coal face to tip into the trams to be conveyed to the surface. Children as young as 5 worked underground. I haven't got much more to say to you now, and time is running out because I have to go underground myself. But I look forward to seeing you all when you come on your tour.